Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to turn off your flash notifications on your iPhone. And now let's dive right in. Now to turn off the flash notifications on your iPhone, first you will be required to open the settings of your iPhone. And after opening the settings of your iPhone, guys, scroll down until you can find the accessibility option available for us just below the home screen. Tap on that accessibility, and over here, guys, again you'll be required to scroll down until you can find the audio slash visual option available for us on the iPhone just above the subtitles and captioning. Tap on that audio slash visual, and over here again scroll down to the bottom of the list, and here you can find the LED flash for alerts. Tap on that LED flash for alerts, and over here, guys, all of the flash notifications are enabled from over here. Now in order to turn it off, if you want to just turn it off while unlocked or silent mode, you can tap on the toggle icons over here and it will turn the flash off while unlocked or silent mode or in silent mode. But if you want to turn off your flash notifications for all of alerts or all kinds of alerts on your phone, tap on the upper toggle icon to turn it off, and the LED flash alerts for each kinds of alerts on your phone will be turned off. And with that being said, guys, this is how you turn off your flash notifications on your iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.